In Brazil, an innovative approach is being tested to protect homeless communities vulnerable to monsoon flooding. Floating shelter pods made from recycled plastic. These pods are designed to float along riverbanks, providing dry, safe spaces during heavy rains and rising waters, especially in densely populated urban areas. Each shelter pod is built from compacted recycled plastic bottles and waterproof panels, forming buoyant structures that remain stable even when water levels surge. The design includes secure anchoring systems to keep the shelters in place, as well as solar-powered lights and vents for ventilation. Some prototypes even feature fold-out sleeping platforms and space for personal belongings, creating a dignified, functional refuge from the elements. These pods address a critical gap in disaster resilience for Brazil's homeless population, who often live along canals and rivers where flooding is most severe. During monsoons, conventional shelters become inaccessible, and basic dry space becomes a luxury. By turning plastic waste into floating architecture, the solution tackles both environmental pollution and social vulnerability in one compact form. The project is part of a broader experiment in climate-resilient housing and circular design. It reflects a future where urban infrastructure adapts to extreme weather while upcycling waste into solutions. If scaled, floating pods could serve not only in Brazil, but in flood-prone regions worldwide, wherever rivers rise and shelter is scarce.